One devotee has written me and he said, why don't you give a talk on conspiracy? So today's talk is on conspiracy. Coronavirus, where did it start? What's the story behind it? Was it created in a laboratory? Innocently to study a virus. Is it a biological weapon? Was it created to destroy the economy? Was it created to eliminate hundreds of thousands of people? Was it a sadistic plot? Or was it an accident? Unexpected? What's the actual reason? And the answer is coming up. By the end of this video, I'm going to give you the definitive answer. Actually, I'll give it to you now. And the answer is, it doesn't matter. Srila Prabhupada was asked about conspiracy theories once. And his basic answer was, hear and chant about Krishna. If you bother your brain with conspiracy theories, it's just going to go on and on and on. And what does it matter anyway? Maybe you'll discover the truth. Unless it really matters for the spreading of Krishna consciousness, unless it really matters for us becoming Krishna conscious, then what's the point? It can waste unlimited amounts of time. Now, this is being spoken during the time of coronavirus, so the coronavirus is on everyone's mind. And the other day I read something on Facebook. It's from a Shastra. I think it's called the Corona Purana. Not Corona Purana, I think it's the Corona Purana. And in the Corona Purana, it says, always think of Corona and never forget Corona. I said, yeah, that seems to be what people are doing. It seems that people are perfectly following the Corona Purana now, because everywhere you go, everyone's talking about Corona. And so maybe if we die now, we'll become a coronavirus in our next life. I was also reading something very simple that Prabhupada said. He said, what is a devotee? A devotee is one who always wants to hear and speak and chant about Krishna. That's a devotee. That's a perfect definition of a devotee, one who just wants to relish hearing about Krishna. That's what a devotee does. So in Prabhupada talking about the coronavirus, his point was you'll get absorbed, you'll absorb your mind, you'll absorb your hearing, you'll absorb your tongue. So why? Why waste your time? And then he said, whatever's going to happen is going to happen. These people are going to do what they're going to do. It's not really our business. Our business is to give people Krishna. Our business is to be Krishna conscious. So if there's any, discussion about this conspiracy or that, from Prabhupada's perspective, unless we need to know, and unless we can know, in order to be able to push the Krishna consciousness movement on, it's just going to be a diversion of valuable time and energy that could be spent on doing what's most important, and that's chanting Hare Krishna. Did you finish your rounds today, Prabhu? No, I didn't have time. Why? It was Corona Kata. I was reading the Corona Purana. I got so absorbed, I lost track of time. Now I'm tired. I have to go to sleep. I'll finish my rounds tomorrow. That's the problem. Hare Krishna. Corona avatar will not get you back to Godhead. Hearing and chanting about Krishna will get you back to Godhead.